show because we don't have a lot of these left to go around. My friend Scott Hind is here for Air Innovations, and this has been a wildly popular humidifier because it is the first time we've ever offered one that fills from the top, which means you don't have to take the tank off and take it somewhere. You simply bring a pitcher of water to the unit and fill it from the top. In fact, you could keep this running indefinitely by continuing to fill it when you have an opportunity, but it does have one of the longest, if not the longest, run time of any of the Air Innovations humidifiers we offer, which, by the way, we've sold over 1 million of them here. This is a really popular brand with our customers. Today, we have this one for you on 6 easy payments of just $12.83. It is free shipping as well, which means no shipping charge and still guaranteed to get there by Hanukkah or Christmas. And of course, that's with any of your major credit cards or your Q card. So what we have is literally a handful of the platinum. We have like 3 dozen left. That's it. And then that will be sold out. The other colors are all sold out, except for the black, which we brought in more of because it's always very popular.
Well, we started the season with 8 colors. Now we're down to really probably very soon 1. And that's testament to the popularity.
So why is this one, it's got all the latest bells and whistles, and why is it so special?
Yeah, it is my absolute favorite because of the top fill technology. I think the best innovation that Air Innovations has ever come up with. And, you know, and before I get to the features, I think we should talk real quick why now. And because we just had snow all across the country yesterday.
It's dry,
freezing cold,
crackly.
Yep. How many people watching right now just woke up with the dry eyes, the dry nasal, you know, the pets with the dry paws.
And the longer winter goes on, the worse it's going to get. If you don't have enough humidity in your home, you're snapping each other with shocks, electric shocks in the hallway, and your socks. Your furniture's getting dried out, your pets' little noses, and certainly you, which is most important, the children, the grandkids. This is such a nice thing to have in your home for so many reasons.
It is. And so, you know, we know we need that humidifier, and this is quite literally my favorite one we've ever presented because of that top fill technology. So there's 3 great reasons why you want a humidifier just like this one, and you want this one specifically. First and foremost is the ultrasonic clean mist technology. So what that means to you is not only do you get a permanent ceramic filter that never needs to be replaced, so no cost of ownership, no expensive tablets, chemicals, filters, nothing. More importantly, the entire base and tank are infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor. It's going to prevent the growth of bacteria inside the tank so you and your family can feel confident breathing in the moisture. Number 2, you already hit on it, an incredible 112 hours of runtime.
I know, wow.
So you think about that. That's 14 nights of sleep, 2 weeks before you have to refill the tank. You trudge out to the pharmacy and get one of their ugly looking medical devices, you're lucky to get 8 to 10 hours. We give you 112 hours of runtime. And then finally, why this is my favorite humidifier of all time, the best innovation we've ever come up with, the most convenient humidifier we've ever offered. Top fill technology means no taking a tank to the sink. You don't even have to turn the humidifier off to fill it, which means that 112 hours of runtime, Carolyn, gets stretched out to about unlimited runtime.
Yeah,
that's
really.
it. So
I love you can point the clean mist in 2 directions. You can also use the optional gooseneck, which is the extender nozzle, if you'd like to have it coming out at a higher elevation, or if you want to leave it standing on the floor instead of on the table.
Absolutely.
Easy to pop that on and off. And you can point the direction in any area you want. So we're going to take you through some features. The platinum has sold out. We are down to black only, and not a lot of those to go around. 500 of these now ordered.
Yeah, and this is what you're seeing. There's that clean mist technology for you, Carolyn, and that means permanent ceramic filter plus the entire tank and base infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor. If you have a fireplace, you got to have a humidifier, and you've got to put one in every single bedroom because you want your entire family to sleep better at night, feel better in the morning. It's completely silent. Helps the kids right now in the cold and flu season, especially the infants who need the extra moisture. If you put one in every other major room of your house, it's going to help prevent your wood furniture from drying and cracking. But right there, that's the big story, the top fill technology. No taking a tank to the sink. You don't even have to unplug the unit to refill it. And because it's so affordable, so long running, you put one in every room of your home. So you put one in the den, another one in the living room, another one in the kitchen, one in each bedroom so your entire family can sleep better. It means you'll feel better, look better, be better, just live better.
I know, I love it. Okay. We're busy. This is something that now 1,000 have been ordered in this presentation. We're down to black only. This is our most fully featured humidifier out of the over 1 million Air Innovations humidifiers we've sold at QVC. And the big wow on this one is that you can fill it from the top. You do not need to take it apart, take the tank off, haul the tank around. We've had so many people call and say it's too heavy, they've spilled water everywhere, They've tripped going up and down the stairs, trying to get down to the kitchen to fill the water tank. You do not have to. Plus, it's got all kinds of other features. Over a 1.5 gallon capacity tank, up to 100 hours of runtime on low. You've got the ultrasonic technology. It doesn't get condensation everywhere on your furniture. Easy to operate too, Scott. And then, of course, you've got lots of official documentation.
we do, because you and I could talk about how much we love this all day long, but let's see what the experts have to say. This comes from the National Institute of Health's Medline website. They give us 3 great reasons why you want to have a humidifier just like this one. Here they are word for word, Carolyn. Okay. Number 1, humidifiers increase the humidity in your home to help eliminate the dry air that can irritate and inflame the passages in your nose and your throat.
Now, listen, if you think you might be catching a cold, chances are it's just because the air is too dry in your home. And if you actually do have a cold or something with those symptoms, this will certainly help to relieve some of that as well.
No question, because how many of you watching right now just woke up dry and ratty? Yes. I know you did. You want that to go away. This is the best way to do it. Number 2, to your point, is humidified air can help relieve some discomforts of cold and flu.
Yes.
Well, that's clinically proven health secret.
Absolutely.
So you don't head to a medical professional when you feel sick. First thing they tell you to do is get an ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. In my opinion, this is literally the best one we have ever offered. And then number 3, guys and gals, you will both love this. It is also a clinically proven beauty secret. Nice. Word for word. In a clinical study, 70% relative humidity improved the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
And I don't like those.
Nobody does.
There's not too many things I say I don't like.
That's right.
I don't like those.
You're a very pleasant person, but you hate fine lines and wrinkles. And to finish reading that word for word, increased skin moisture compared to 40% relative humidity. So, Carolyn, what we're talking about here is by putting this moisture back in the air. And it really, which in turn hydrates our skin. Yeah. Not only are we helping ourselves feel better on the inside, but look even more beautiful on the outside.
Well, and you guys, plus, one of the biggest beauty secrets is to keep your skin moisturized. As we were talking about with Josie Marin earlier, the argan oil, compared with having an Air Innovations humidifier like this in your home, is really going to get your skin off to a great start. And Scott's showing on our video how easy it is. The ceramic filter never needs to be replaced.
That's exactly right. Plus, the entire base and tank are infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor. It's going to prevent the growth of bacteria inside the tank, so you and your family can feel confident when you're breathing in that moisture. If you have a fireplace, you've got to get a humidifier, even if you have whole home humidification. You want to put one in every single bedroom so your entire family sleeps better, because this is silent. You'll sleep better at night. You'll feel better in the morning, especially in the cold and flu season right now for the little ones. And then if you put one in every major room, so you put one in the kitchen, another one in the den, so this way your wood furniture will prevent them from drying and cracking. But that's the big story, Carolyn. The top fill technology, the best innovation we've ever offered. No unplugging the unit, no even taking the tank to the sink. And because it's so affordable, so long running, you put one in every room of your house. So one in every bedroom, another one in the den, another one in the kitchen. So your entire family can sleep better, means you'll feel better, look better, and just live better.
And like every couple of days, walk around with a pitcher of water and top off each one.
That's it.
No tanks to haul around. This is popular, over 1,600 ordered. A lot of you picking up more than one because it is so affordable today on 6 easy payments of less than $13. Free shipping and handling saves you $5.50 on each unit. So each one we normally would ship out to you would cost you $5.50 to ship it. That's absolutely free today. It's not built into the price.
Right.
It's actually free shipping. So that's a really nice opportunity. How many people are offering free shipping right before the holidays? Usually it's like more shipping
no chance. And
in order to guarantee it to arrive on time. Not at QVC. Free shipping. It will get there in time, guaranteed, for Hanukkah or Christmas. Choose the black. It's the only color we have remaining. 2,000 now ordered. Don't wait until you need this. Start moisturizing the air in your home now. Everybody will benefit from it, including your pets, including your furniture.
Well, and here's why. Because a lot of people think it's the cold weather that wreaks havoc on our bodies. It's not. It's the lack of humidity.
Yes.
Doctors tell us you got to have 45% humidity in your home throughout the year. That's why the summer we feel great, because it's humid. The problem is in the wintertime we crank up the heat. That drops the humidity down to about 10%. So we start sleeping terrible. We start feeling like so many of you did this morning with snow all around the country, but dry and ratty. You get a great humidifier like this, you put one in every room, it goes away. I love this. This is my favorite. It's the one I have in my own home. I actually have 4.
You do?
One in my master bedroom, one in my daughter Carly's room, one in the den, one in the kitchen. So throughout these winter months, my family sleeps better, we feel better, we look better, we just live better.
Well, I have one. I think I need to catch up with you.
That's fine. You'll be happier.
All right.
We'll work on that.
If you don't even have one, you got a great opportunity to pick it up today. Scott, thank you so much.
Always great to see you.
Happy
love
holidays,
you, darling.
my friend.
Same to you.
Okie doke. All right, so Danny Boy is here. And we are going to get this show on the road. Dan will be here with you until noon. I'm here till 11. I know. Well, I started at 8.
Quitter.
It's just fair.
It is
you
fair.
got to work an hour longer.
It's not work. Are you kidding? I love
know,
this stuff.
It's fun. So Dan has a secret to share with you.